Iwasang maging negatibo palagi, mga tunay pagkawala, malalampasan din naman. Huwag ka mawala, hindi ka nag-iisa, huwag ka na magkaila, tatamayan kita. Sa oras na malungkot ay hindi kita bibitawan, sa akin ka magpahinga. Ano bang pagsubok ng mundo? Puso'y lakasan ang loob, tumingin ang taas mo. Nandito lang ako. Nandito lang ako. Nandito lang ako. Pero handa akong makinig, handa akong humarap, handa saluhin kami at muling ikaw magtiwala, magwawala ang pag-asa. Sa sarong magpaano, ano bang pagsubok ng mundo? Higayan ang puso, lakasan ang loob, hindi nandito lang Ladies and gentlemen, the Asian songbird, Miss Regine Velasquez, our senior cast. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The P-pop queens, the Beanie. Ay! Akala ko nahulog ako. Hirap na, ma-John Pearson ay mamabali na. Good evening to everyone, to all the young people that are watching you guys. Meron ba kayong gustong sabihin? Ang ganda ng number natin. Such a beautiful song. Nag-sign language pa kayo. Marami kayong na-touch, I'm sure.
And hindi rin po namin in-expect na talagang maisisingit niyo po kami sa schedules niyo. Kasi alam naman namin naman.
Grabe naman. Malaki bayad ko dito.
Pero syempre, ever since nagsisimula pa lang kami Miss Reg, consistent kami. Pag tinatanong kami sa interview, sino gusto niyo mga collab? Miss Regine Velasquez po.
Talaga pa. Kasi ako nga si Beanie Reg. Ayan, nung nag-abala nga ako, binili ko pa to sa Quiapo.
Yes, Miss Reg, alam po namin na madalas po kayong nag-yes sa mga concerts po ng mga young OPM artists like us. Kaya sobrang nakaka-wow na kasama po namin kayo ngayon. Idol po kayo ng nanay ko.
No, it is my pleasure to be here wonderful honor to be part of your show. I had a session with them. I got to talk to them a little bit. And actually, mga 2 hours yata yung little bit na yun. I know that some of you are experiencing, yung anxiety. And once in a while, sa buhay natin, this is not just for the Binia, this is for all of us. Once in a while, we feel the blues. And you know what? It's something that we need to experience. Because if we don't experience sadness, how would we know kung masaya tayo? So, sometimes we need to experience those things. Now, just remember, girls, that the important thing to remember, for all of you also, is that it's temporary. It will end. And one of the things that gusto kong sabihin sa inyo is, you just need to allow yourself to heal. And let the sadness or the anxiety pass. Kasi it will just pass. If you don't allow yourself to do that, then you will stay in one place. And we don't want to stay in one place. Life is too beautiful and short. Diba? So, ayun lang ang gusto kong sabihin sa mga magagandang dalaging din natin. Thank you for having me here. It is truly an honor to be with you girls. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful night, you guys. And once again, Bini!
Grabe si Mr. Wala din po siyang si Sir Gary. Bakit naman tayo pinaiyak na sila? Hey guys, alam niyo ba? There's also something common with us in this world. Hulaan niyo ano something common namin in this world. Nakaway tayo. Yung vocals. Wow! Tingin na